deal. This is the second time I record this because the phone keeps screwing up. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Got a killer glitch. This is the Flex. Big shout out to Mike at Tool Deals. The Flex 20 volt Tool Deals Facebook group. The Flex 24 volt variable speed brushless half-inch drive cordless impact wrench battery included $179. Buy more save more. So the regular price is $299, but it does qualify for the buy more save more. So I believe this is a stack glitch, or either that or they're trying to clearance this out. But if you guys put it in the cart, it's gonna be a killer deal. So this is the Hight torque. This is the beast. It does come with the 5 amp hour battery, a charger, and a case. However, that's not the stacked lithium. Just keep that in mind. But still, that's pretty big battery right there. So you're gonna do. You're gonna go down here to number 3. Actually, add 3 of them to the cart. All right. So view cart. Hopefully that'll take me there. All right. So you got $462 for 3 of them. All right, so why did it not do it? That's why, because I already have. Save, or just put save for later. $387 for 3 of them. Comes down to $129 a piece. Guys, when have you seen a Hight torque, a name brand Hight torque impact wrench for $129? Isn't that crazy? I might get myself one of these just to put it against other tools. Guys, 3 to 7 calculator checkout. Obviously, we're gonna have to add the tax after that, but yeah, $127 or $129 after tax. I'll leave you guys the link down below on the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.